This guy makes rocket motors that can send a rocket thousands of feet in the air. And he does it in his kitchen. I went to his house so you can see how it's done. First, we got everything ready. By everything, I mean the tooling and the ingredients and all that. The first step here is to measure out the corn syrup and then let that simmer to a boil. Then we measured out the sugar so that we can slowly mix that in. After which, we have to mix in the KNO3, which is the oxidizer and what speeds up the reaction of the combustion. After stirring the mixture for a little while and constantly measuring the temperature to see if it got to the right temperature, carefully I poured the mixture of rocket fuel into the casting tubes. Then, using the coring tool, which is a metal rod, I pushed it through the tube and through the 3D print, creating a core. I put the donut on top of the steel rod, which then helps align it. Here you can see us making the extra fuel we had left over into two things. One, we made them into little rods so that we can melt them again and turn them into fuel later. And two, we made rocket popsicles, which are like super upgraded sparklers. And then after a little while of setting, they were ready to demold. In the end, you need to make sure you remember to label your grains, with not only the date, but also what fuel they are. That way you know what they are in the future. So, don't forget to label your grains.